Do you want to know how you can sign up for Quantum AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Quantum AI. Go ahead and search for Quantum AI on your search bar. And you can see that this page loads up. Go ahead and click on the first link and it will take you to the official page of Quantum AI where you can see sign up now on the right hand side. The first step is to write down your first name. The second step is to write down your last name. After you've written down your last name, go to your email section and write down your email, and then go to this section over here and write down your phone number. Then click on create your free account, and then a mail will be sent to you by Quantum AI, and you can see that a mail will be sent to you after a few days. It will not go right now because there might be some error, and you can check your mail afterwards and you can click on the confirmation mail, and after that you can sign up for Quantum AI. So it will not be immediately, guys. You must notice that. As you can see, it's written here dangerous. It might take some time for your account to sign up, and this way you can sign up for Quantum AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.